What sweet nanny goat a go run in belly? What sweet nanny goat a go run in belly?
When the food look good, they will feed me right. Feed me right. Like me eat with my eyes. If the food not look good, me not gonna eat it.
No.
Yeah, man. I'm here chat patois. No, sir.
Hi folks, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, give this video a thumbs up right now. Subscribe right now before you even start watching. In today's video, by the title, you guys might know what it's gonna be about. I give you Jamaican popular proverbs and expressions.
Okay, it's like a best of expression.
Right,
so you took
popular
all the
ones.
expression that we give since 3-4 years and you just make a best of it.
Not really, but there kinda, but there'll be some new ones too.
Okay.
All right, I have them right down, so I'm just gonna read from it. Okay, I'm gonna give you the expression and tell me what it means. The first one is all fire tick, easy fi catch. What does that mean?
Like the fire, like butterfly. When you're in love, it's easy to and then it's easy. It's easy to catch and it's easy to end.
Alright, it means
you love easy.
it means when former lovers meet, spark might fly. For example, if I meet up with my ex, we might just still feel in love.
Okay.
So all fire stick, easy fi catch.
Oh. Okay, like all
so
fire.
all flame can reignite.
Okay.
All fire tick, easy fi catch.
Okay.
Alright, next one is we run things don't run we. What does that mean?
We're the boss.
Yes,
We're the
being in
boss.
control.
Yeah, man.
Alright. The next one is if you cooked it clean, the cock would not stray.
Huh?
If you cooked it clean, the cock wouldn't stray. What do you think that means? If the cooked it clean, the cock wouldn't stray. Coop is somewhere C-O-O-P it's spelled. It's where the chicken lives.
Okay.
So if it cleans, the chicken wouldn't go astray. The chicken wouldn't go elsewhere to look for something. If the coop did clean, the cock wouldn't
you
stray.
say it like if your wife or husband are nice and treat you right, there is no reason to go out.
Exactly.
I won't say if your wife is take shower, there's no reason to.
It means if the sex was good, the man would not cheat.
Oh, but
If
sometimes
the
the sex
coop
is
did
bad from the
clean-
man, not only from the woman.
If the coop did clean, the cock wouldn't stray.
Okay.
If the sex did good, the man wouldn't cheat.
Okay.
That's what it means.
Okay.
Alright, the next one is what sweet nanny goat a go run in belly? What sweet nanny goat a go run in belly?
When the food look good, they will feed me right. Feed me right. Like me eat with my eyes. If the food not look good, me not gonna eat it.
No. It means the same thing that makes you happy can makes you sad. What sweet nanny goat a go run in belly. Yeah, think about curry goat.
Yeah, man.
Anyway, the next one is
Don't
you
talk
clean
and
the
just
talk and left the
let your
whisper.
heart talking.
No.
Act. Stop
Doing
talking.
things halfway is the first I hear this one.
Alright.
Full feed a yard, easy fi catch.
It was just at the beginning.
Fowl feed a yard, easy fi catch. That's a different one.
Okay.
Fowl feed a yard, easy fi catch. It means if the places you frequently are known, you won't be hard to find.
Okay.
Fowl feed a yard,
Easy fi
no
catch.
hard fi catch.
No hard fi catch.
Right.
Alright, me a catch you.
Today for me, tomorrow for you.
Alright, today for me, tomorrow for you.
Tomorrow for you.
Mean always me first. Make me happy first and then I make you happy. Oh, always me up first and you one day.
Every dog has his day. Mean if today I get an opportunity, don't worry about it, your day will come.
Jamaican meat. You should have called it Jamaican meat.
Next one, puss and dog not have the same luck. Different strokes for different folks. Puss and dog not have the same luck. So the luck that I have, you might not have the same.
Maybe I was thinking too deeply on this one.
Exactly.
Too deeply.
You play with puppy, puppy lick your face or lick your nose.
Don't play with the fire.
Play with fire, you will get burned. Alright, next one. See me and come live with me are two different things.
See me, I come and live with
See
you.
me and come live with me are two different things.
You don't know.
It means things are not always what they seem. So I don't live with you and we all good and stuff, but the minute I come live with you, everything changes.
Ah, crashing. That was the biggest mistake we ever done.
You wanna justify that? Really, babe? Sure, you're a man.
Get married in two different houses.
Alright. If you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone.
I mean, be prepared, be prepared. When you go out, just take a jacket, like be prepared for every situation. Don't run the fire if you're not ready for it.
No. Do unto others as you'd have them do unto you.
Oh lordy.
You're way off. When water throw away, it can't pick up back. When water throw away, it can't pick up back.
It's like when you hurt your girlfriend and she sad, she break and she tell you, I want water go away, I can't pick up, like you're gonna lose me forever.
Done. Yes, kinda like that. What's done is done. You can't fix whatever
You can't
happened.
fix it. A broken, we call it in French like a broken vase will always sounds different. No matter how you fix it back, it will always sounds different.
Alright, the next one is when dog flea bite you, you have to scratch.
You have to scratch. You have
To scratch.
to scratch. I don't know what they mean.
Every action cause a reaction.
You justify your reaction. You justify your action when there's no reaction to have.
Next one.
Yeah, say it again so we can say that next time.
If you want good, you know have to run. What does that mean?
I don't know.
To accomplish certain things, you have to sacrifice.
Okay.
Next one.
Next one.
One cocoa full basket. One cocoa full basket. What does that mean?
I don't know.
Slow and steady get the job done. Every little bit counts.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Next one. If you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him short. If you can't catch someone or something, catch the next best thing. So example, if babe do me something and I can't catch him, me do something to Tyler to make him feel bad.
A wicked.
Can't catch Kwaku, you catch him short.
A wicked.
Next one. Every day bucket go well, bottom bound fi drop out.
No, that.
Overuse of something will destroy it.
Oh.
Every day you use something, it must smash up.
Okay, think about it. Think about
What
it.
does that mean?
Think about it. Every day you use something, it's gonna mash up. So you need to make the some things rest. Can't run every day. Need to rest.
You try escaping your workout?
Yeah, I need to rest sometimes.
Next one. Dirty water cannot fire. Dirty water cannot fire.
So clean. Clean it. Clean the water.
Everything has its usefulness.
Oh no, not everything. Not everything. You have your usefulness? I don't see what you're useful for.
I know all Duppy to a rolling calf.
Like too deep for me.
I know all Duppy turning a rolling calf.
Too deep. Too deep for me.
Don't stereotype people. And I also need to do a Jamaican
Oh,
stereotype tag. Let me write that down.
You always say like don't judge a book by its cover.
Right.
Right, me say it.
Tell me if I should do a Jamaican stereotype video. I'm gonna do a Jamaican stereotype video. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys the last one in the popular Jamaican saying and proverbs. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you tell me if you want me to do another one, because I have so much more Jamaican proverbs to give. So the last one for today's Jamaican proverbs is
Let me try to think this one.
same thing with tick sheep, tick goat.
Like don't do to others what you don't want others to do to you.
Kinda, yes. The same thing that happened to someone could happen to you. So it's
okay.
Yeah. Same thing with tick sheep, tick goat. If it happened to me,
It can happen
it can
to
happen to you.
me.
Alright, you guys, there we have it for the Jamaican saying and proverbs. I really enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys also enjoyed this video. And if you want to see another Jamaican proverbs video, comment down below and let me know. I have a lot of them for you, girl. Alright, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.